Hey guys, in this video we are going to integrate PayPal with Systemeio so that you can receive payments to your PayPal. First of all, you need to go to your Systemeio and you go to your profile picture right here, click on setting, then you click on payment gateways right here on the left side. In here we have Stripe, PayPal and some other payment methods, but I'll choose PayPal. Click on connect. Here we need the details for username, password and signature, and you can read this article to set up PayPal integration. That means you can click here and find the text guide. Okay, it's pretty easy to set up reading this guide. Okay, now we go to our PayPal, click on account access, account setting, then account access, then update for the API access. Let's do this. We go here, account setting. Now in here we're gonna go to API access right here, click on update. Here I'm gonna find the MVP, okay, API integration classic. Click on that one. And now you see the API signature or API certificate. Click on API signature, then agree and submit. Now in here I have my credential. It has the API username, password, and signature. I need to hide this because it's my personal payment, right? So we need just copy, go back here, paste it in, password, signature. I will cut this part and you just do accordingly to your account information. Okay, once you've done that, click on save. Boom. So we are done with this part. Now we move to part 2, configuring PayPal IPNs to receive notifications in Systemeio. Now we go to account setting. In the notification URL, we need to enter this URL. So I need to copy this one, copy that, and we put in the new notification URL right here. Account setting, go to notification, it's right here. You do not see it, but just see on the left side and you will see that. Instant notification, click on update. Here we can choose IPN settings. As you can see, this is the notification URL. You paste it there, receive instant notification messages enable. Now we can look at this again. Enable, then hit save. Okay, save, and this is done, right? You are now successfully connected your PayPal and Systemeio.